What's up? Good evening. How are you doing today? Hope you have a great weekend. I'm excited. I'm elated. I'm excited and I'm excited. Just checking the market and said, let me cope up because it's been a while. You know, I really don't do Outlook again like before. I just want to share my view with a couple of stuff that I'm seeing right now. Type in where you're joining from. I've seen a local of some people connecting on YouTube. Type in where you're joining from. Where are you joining from? Good evening, good day, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're joining from. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Hope you're keeping safe, guys. So the best we can do right now is to harness digital businesses. So if you have been learning Forex before and you're not taking it serious, then I can tell you this is the best time to take it serious. You know, if you've not been taking it serious, this is the best time to take it serious. And because a lot of stuff has been happening around the world that is emphasizing the power of digital business, you know. While people at home don't have what to do, you know, you will just keep harnessing the markets and you're good to go. So we have got Swift from Port Harcourt, ICE Port Harcourt. Good to have you on the call, ICE Port Harcourt. Inamaka from Port Harcourt. Okay, good to have you on the call too, Inamaka. We have great guys. Great guys from Port Harcourt. Okay. So you guys will talk about the pair. I'll just go through some pairs with us and talk about my major view tonight is Bitcoin. I've told you guys that the projected price is $75,000, and a lot of people feel that Mr. Mayowa is just a future man, you know. That's right. I told you guys about Bitcoin. Sorry, I told you guys about gold. And now I'm telling you about Bitcoin. If you have bought when I told you to buy, you're a big man now already, right? You're big. you know, a lot of time, because some of you don't pay for it on YouTube, you feel it's just one of those analyses. Okay, but it's fine. I just feel you need to harness it properly, especially this time where people really need digital business. Okay. I also posted on YouTube one of my views last week on the chart. I'm just waiting for some of our students to join. It's been a while I did Sunday Outlook, so I just want to do a review tonight. And instead of me just doing it for myself alone, I decided to share the link. Okay. You guys are ready? Okay, put in 555 if you're ready. Put in 555 if you're ready. Put in 555 if you're ready. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect. Oga Somto, how you doing? Oga Somto, how are you doing? Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so I think we've waited long enough, so let's kick off the meeting. Okay, so I'll start with cryptocurrency. And as usual, I've always told you, always understand the place of market. Always know how the market will move. Okay, if you've been watching my training for 2-3 years, you understand that I'm a trend trader. As a matter of fact, the money I've made in the market, I've only made it from trend trading. Counter trends, you can be wrong a lot of time. But when you are with the trend, you will definitely make a lot of money, okay? And I established this to you guys the other time, that for you to go into a buy, the market needs to go up, come down, move in, break this zone, then confirms a buy. For you to sell, the market must keep creating lows. So at market create lows, you know that you have to sell. If the market is creating more high, you know you have to buy. So I'll be starting with Bitcoin. I'll be sharing something really deep with us today. Let me start with the 3-month charts. I like to let people know the power of these future charts that allows you to know what the market, what the potential, the movement, the potential move that the market has. You can see that the market started from here, created a level, it dropped and created another level. Watch carefully, guys. If the pattern I just finished drawing, if you follow it well, the market started from this low at $50, okay? And it dropped down. And what did it do next? It went up. And when it went up as far as $20,000. Now, I've always told you, you don't buy on this move, neither do you sell on this move. Okay? If you cannot trade a flag pattern buyer, then you have to wait for the market to really come down. And when it came down lower to $3,000. And when that happened, it rejected that place and started moving up again. Now, according to the rules of engagement, this market should come a bit lower to 700. According to market structure, this market needs to come a bit lower to 700 so that you can do a full buy. Because when you are moving with the pattern that I've just finished drawing, you need to see that move below 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to see that move below 2. Okay? However, it's a new currency and you don't want to really fight it. It's a new instrument, so you don't really want to fight it. So it created this low and started moving up. So 3 months tells us that the market is on an uptrend, okay? So if you come to 2 days, so I have this synthetic pattern that I always share with people when it comes to Bitcoin wave, okay? So if you see here again, the market dropped, it went up, did what again? It dropped, it went up, gave us a what? A double top, and eventually dropped. So when it dropped to this level, okay, which is why I told us to buy in March. So currently we are bullish on this. So what do I see coming? And we need to see some movement at the top here, a potential double what? Double top here, a potential double top here. And as I talk to you right now, there's already a double top on this level. The double top will create a retracement like what happened here. Okay? Double top will create a retracement. That's what is called fake breakout pattern, okay? So whenever a fake breakout pattern happens, the market drops at least to another level, okay? So as it is here now, this is 2 days. Let's go to 4 hours. So on 4 hours right now, the same level we've identified on the left is where we are currently. So what do we see the market do? The market gave us what is called fake breakout. Okay, so when the market gives you a fake breakout, it means that this is an interested zone for a sell. Okay, you can see the market came down. So what are we to do? We have to look at a sell opportunity around this supply. Then the market should drop down to this level. Okay, this is a potential level. Okay, and I like to also go public on this. This is just for educational purpose. It's not for you to, it's not for signal purpose. It's for educational purpose, and so be careful. In as much that you are learning from my knowledge, you don't take it as signal, take it as education. So if you are selling here, you must have your trading conditions, okay? Your trading conditions must be met before you sell, okay? So that should drop to this level, which is around 11,000. And if it breaks the 11,000, it should drop further to this demand as around 9,000 plus thereabouts. Okay, and if you see your price confirmations there again, then look for a buy. And if not, like I told you, the market will drop down back. Okay, but we'll still project if in 5-10 years, we're still expecting it to get to $70,000. That's the project. But you know, the market does not move straight. If it moves straight, a lot of us would have become billionaire by now. A lot of us become billionaire by now. So the market does not move straight. Okay. So this should be TP1. This should be TP2. Okay. So TP1 should be around 30,000. TP2 should be around 47,000. So that's where a lot of us are expecting. But you know, that's 3 months, guys. That could happen in 5 years. It's 3-month chart. So but for swing traders, we've seen a fake breakout pattern, and on that level, so we could see a drop on Bitcoin as soon as possible, and we can move on from there. So the next one I'll go to, anything that happens to Bitcoin, you know that it's the father of cryptocurrency, so it could also drop down other cryptos, obviously. But it's still not bad for you to buy and hold. But if you are trading it, you have to be careful because we should see some drop before a push up. So the next one, I'll go to gold. You know, I told you guys about gold. I was there to turn out $2,000. When it gets to $2,000, it started dropping back. So currently, if I go to higher time frame, can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, put down on the chat box. Perfect. So gold is on an uptrend, you don't fight the trend as usual. And whenever it's with the trend, you always want to look for a good reversal zone. Okay? You always want to look for good reversal zones. Okay? You always want to look for good reversal zones. Okay? So I would like the market to come back to this place, give us a retracement pattern, then we can talk about buying. Okay? Why? Watch this. When the market started its move in August 2018, this was the first retracement. I've told you, you don't buy the first retracement. Not because you don't want to trade, but you know, money only goes to those who are patient when it comes to Forex. Always be patient for the market to come uptrend. Can you guys see that confirm uptrend? Yes or no? Has it confirmed an uptrend now, guys? Has it confirmed uptrend now, guys? The market to come uptrend. Can you guys see that confirmed uptrend? Yes or no? So now as confirmed uptrend, then you always wait for the retracement, okay? You wait for a retracement, and that's where you're going to be buying, okay? So when you're buying here, you can see how long. This was the first move retracement. Immediately this happened, it confirms a long pattern, a very, very long move. So one of my friends in Pakistan, he's still in this trade since 2018, okay? He's still in this trade. See, has given us over 8,000 pips, okay? I don't hold trade that long. I don't hold trade that long, you know, but once that happens, it means that on the uptrend, okay? So watch again, the market went up as usual again. And when it went up, you need to wait for retracement. So you don't buy, you wait for retracement. And when you wait for retracement, the market pull down back to this place. And immediately you will look for a buy opportunity. And of the truth, the market did that move again. Okay? If you're following Stevenson Lyndon on I Am Mastery Academy, this is his strategy, he uses flag pattern. So push off for a buy. When it got to this place again, okay? When it got to this place again, there's nothing to do. Don't jump in on your first move. I've educated you on that over and over again. You don't jump in on the first move. On the second move, that is what you talk about, because that gives you double bottom. I've told you over and over again, the double bottom allows you not to jump in every trade. It allows you to be very patient, okay? Good. So when the market came into that place again, you can see what happened. It broke out of that flag again, and it kept going up. So when it was to retrace, the only place it could retrace to is that same level that initiated this buy. So watch again. Right now, the market broke up again, right? Broke up again. So as in as much that it keeps giving us higher high and not breaking the low, that means that we are still on the upper trend, okay? So the market did another retracement. Oh, that's a retracement, let me buy. No, guys, don't buy. It went up again. And what happened? It retraced down back to that zone, which gives you another reversal pattern. Then you shoot. And when you shoot again, it gives us another good 3,900 pips. So again, the market has done the same thing. That's why I tell people, market repeats itself. The market repeats itself. So immediately it went up again. So what do you expect? The first move, right? The first move, retracement, good. And the second move, retracement. Now, this is where we are at the moment. What are we going to be looking out for? If you've been following the classes, what are you going to be looking out for right now, guys? What are you going to be looking out for? Buy or sell? Perfect. So with this, you look for your conditions around this place, or you wait for the flow pattern to be broken, depending on your patience level, okay? Depending on your patient level. Let's go to 4 hours. You can see something more smaller, okay? So you can see something more smaller here. So what do I see coming here? So the market gave us a double bottom, which is the confirmation for reversal. The market went up, guys. It came down. Confirmation happened after this level, okay? And now it retraced down back. So what does that mean? It means that the market will be looking for something around this low, or a double what? Double bottom. That's around 1887. If that does not happen, it could retrace back to this low. If that does not happen, it could retrace back to the previous low. So we have 3 levels of potential entry, okay? 3 levels of potential entry. So if it comes here and give us confirmation, that will be a place to buy. If it breaks and come here, don't fight the market, just allow it play. Okay, if it drops here, good. If it does not, allow it. Don't also forget that you have a reversal pattern at the top here, which is sell. Give us a reversal pattern there. Okay, give us a reversal pattern there, and you have this rejection. So what will make it go up now? What will make it go up now? If the pattern does not come here, you don't need to do anything. Just ignore. Just ignore what you want to see here. You want to see your candle pattern. Okay. If you're in our community, the harmonic scanner will definitely call it on a buy. The harmonic scanner will call it on a buy, either on 4 hours or on either on 4 hours on off or 30 minutes. So and if you back it up your trend line, okay, this could be it. Okay, so the market could break it down. So a lot of stuff could happen here, guys. A lot could happen here, but this double bottom is still in control now. Until it breaks this double bottom, that's when we say sell started. And once the sell starts, the only place we will come back to is this place. Okay, so that will be our potential buy. For now, you want to be patient. Look for your market movement. Be patient. Look for your market movement. It's been doing a lot of rejection here. You can see we're doing a lot of rejection. Okay. Okay. So I still feel you should come down to that level before we talk about. Let's go to 30 minutes. Okay, it's only calling silver. Okay. It's only calling silver. So we just have to be patient. Always be patient with the market. So we have all these levels here. They are suspects. And you can see what it's been doing. It's been very rough. It's been very rough. This is a range. This is a range. 1, 2, it should go up, but you see, it's a range. So you also have to be very patient. whenever the market is ranging, you have to be very patient. You know, it likes to hit people's stop loss a lot whenever it's a ranging market. So whenever it's ranging, don't put your money. You want to put your money in a trendy market so that you can enjoy yourself. This US election is around the corner. It could influence the market movement in the coming days till the election. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Very correct. So let's be really be patient. Let's really be patient. So for me, I'll check out more. Let's check out currencies. So mention, apart from this, I've opened up already. Mention 3-5 currencies you want me to analyze, and we can take it up from there. Already, this on higher time frame has confirmed these are downtrend, okay? This is a downtrend, okay? The market dropped, went up, created a double top, dropped, broke this low for a drop. So that means we have a downtrend confirmed by another word, downtrend, confirmed by another word, downtrend. So guys, what are we going to be looking for? Buy or sell? Buy or sell, guys? Sell. So no matter how you feel like trading this week, AUD card, you have to be very patient for a good sell setup this week. Okay? Look for a good sell setup this week. Let's see something here. Okay. We could also have something around this level. Okay. Okay. Although this level, we already have a rejection, which is, so we could see a fake breakout step pattern here on this level. There's a fake breakout pattern, and I go to 130 minutes. Okay. Level, fake breakout pattern. The candle closes above it. Okay. So this should be our entry. Now stop loss should just be 13 pips or 15 pips for a sell. 15 plus 15 is what? 30 pips. Okay. 15 plus 15 is 30 pips. Then you now move your stop loss to break even and allow the rest trade to run down, okay? You allow the rest trade to run down. And if it's going to run down, it could drop down further to this place, okay? If it drops further, that will be good. Then you exit here. There's also a move here already. There's a low here. There's a low there with a divergence. So low, then we have a low here. Okay, so this week, if I see a good rejection here, I will place a buy. Okay. So this will be, I'll be risking 5 pips. Okay, on this level. If the market comes down there. And because it's a counter trend, I will reduce my lot size. Okay. Whenever it's a counter trend, reduce your lot size. But you know, this is with the trend. So I can put in my huge lot size here. Okay. So if I see that confirmation, which has happened already, by closing with an engulfing, you know. I've told you guys, don't go in on a trade without an engulfing, except you want to use buy limits, okay? So this is an engulfing for a sell, okay? I'll enter sell there, okay? And I'll risk 1 to 2, TP1 or TP3. 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 for TP1, and will allow the rest to run. So that's AUD card. Okay, God's will, Mbati says Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Let's first confirm, what trend are we in? Everybody on the call, what can you see? What trend are we on here? Are we on a sell trend or a buy trend? Namdi, sorry, God's will. Are we on a sell trend or a buy trend? Uptrend. Perfect. Perfect. Why are we on the uptrend? The market is creating more high. High, it dropped. It gave us what? Double bottom. You shoot. It got to this high. What happened? Gave us a fake breakout, dropped, and continue with another what? Double bottom. The market went back up. And now, because it has grown up, I expect it to retrace down back. Okay? I expect it to retrace down back. And with this retracement, it could come to this level, or it could do another double bottom here. So Euro AUD, we expect some buy more. Okay? We expect some buy more. If it breaks that level, that is why you don't use pending order for some entries. You have to see, make sure you are seeing a price action. No engulfing, no pin bar, no anything, don't enter. Okay? Make sure you're seeing your confirmation before you shoot. Okay? But this has not shown us a reversal pattern. Okay? Look at when it last showed us a reversal pattern, it dropped well. Okay? So this has not shown us a reversal pattern. That means that Euro AUD should go up. Okay? So if it gives us the confirmation here, we'll buy more for it to go up. If it does not, don't enter. Okay? So my view is that we are on uptrend on this pair. Okay? Very, very uptrend. Okay? Except the market comes to this high, create a double top and start falling. That is when I can say that we have started going, it has started going down. But for now, focus on buying. Okay, look for your confirmations to buy before you pull the trigger. So look at this gently. Those who are counter trend traders, they would have sold here. But when it got here, because it's under a buy trend, look at what happened. The market bounced back under the double bottom rule, and that was it. After that pin bar, here is your stop loss, 44 pips, and it gave us 22.76. That's over 1 to 5 risk reward. Okay, so now it has given us a sign. As a matter of fact, if I go to 30 minutes, I will be looking for a retracement on 51.8. Okay, I'll be looking for a retracement. So somewhere I'll be looking for a retracement around this place. If it gives us that, good. If it does not, you just want to stick to the rules of the game. But I'm still positive that GA should look for a bar, should be a bar. Okay, sorry, EA. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's do one more pair. Since you guys didn't mention any pair you want me to go through. Let's go on UCHF. I've not segmented my trade this week, so last week we had a double bottom here. Triple bottom rather, and I think I gave out this trade last week. Let me remember. Yes, I gave it out USD CHF. I gave it out last week. So it's part of the trade that took a lot of time to deliver, and I didn't like it. So it ended up becoming a loss trade. A lot of time when it's against the trend, you know, you're running a project called Finish Strong Project. So it's a trade for the month. So we got the entry at 90.80, 90.83 last week. Okay. 90.83. Sorry, 91.05. That was the entry. Okay. And our stop loss was just 20 pips, just below it. It gave us an head and shoulder, which is a reversal pattern. Okay. That is the only reason I would trade against the trend. Okay. So what happened? It took us about 4 days. Sorry, it took us more than 2 days. But later on, nothing happened. He ended up hitting us out in 21 pips stop loss. Okay. But that's part of the game, especially when you want to pick counter trends. I love counter trends because it pays more. It pays more. Okay. So, but this was actually the best move for that move. This was it because the day before the analysis, the investors, I have what is called bank data I work with. So with the bank data, everybody expected USD to gain strength, but the money did not come in. I guess they didn't do the transfer. You guys need to understand that every week, the banks has their open positions, and they are mandated to send their report to a particular unit in the United States, and these people send their report out. So when you are able to have access to this report, it's not a guarantee, but you have an idea. Sometimes they could give a projection that they open more dollar USD rate, and you will not see anything on USD. Maybe in the course of the week they change their position or they change their mind. So last week, the report I had was to buy USD. I think I have it on my. Let me see if I have it here. So the report I had was to the report I had was to buy. So I was really expecting the move to buy, but there's nothing 100% when you're trading. So, okay, so this was the report, 16th of that was last week, 16th of October. They had 30% sell and they had 70% buy. So this their sentiment report. Okay, this is a sentiment report, which is different from COT. Okay, but it's always almost nearest in common, okay? So when I saw that, I said, oh, cool, guys, let's make some money. And that was my projection. So that was what led me to give out this trade for a sell, okay? And as it moved, the investors did not push in their volume. Retailers cannot drive, individuals cannot drive the market. You and I cannot drive the markets, and we need to understand it. Stop making the market feel as if you are you can drive it, And that's why I tell people, always accept your loss when you are in negative. Don't, because you are in negative, you now keep moving. So for me, accepted that loss. It made the condition, it was a counter trend, okay, and that it broke the level. So when it broke that level, it exposed this level for a what? A sell. And that is why the market dropped hugely last week. So this week, obviously, I've not checked the report for this week. This is a rejection zone, but I don't see anything here right now. What can I see coming this new week? The market could come up here, form another double bottom, and continue downward trend, okay? That's for USD CHF, okay? I also remember we gave Euro NZD, and that really paid us well, okay? Euro NZD, for some of us that we are still in the trade, I think we went in on 30 pips, sorry, on 30 minutes. It met the condition, it was under, it met the condition. I think we went in somewhere here. We went in somewhere here. We went in somewhere here, and it really paid us well. It paid us well. So I like it when it's with trend, I like it. The trend, the trend is always your friend, no matter how you want to see it. Just that sometimes you just want to check out your counter trends, because counter trends does wonders too, guys. Counter trends does wonders too. Counter trends does wonders too. So as at when the trade was called, we had this trade. Our entry, I like stop loss to be very small. It was a 20 pip stop loss, and our TP was 71. That's around 40 something thereabout. 77.60. 77.60. Let's move this mouse to that level. Okay, 77.60, 77.65. So this was the entry, and TP1 that, and TP2 was 76.72. Okay, so this was the TP2, 76.72, 76.72. Okay, so what happened? The market moved. Okay, the market moved from our entry. The market moved from our entry and dropped to 100 pips. So we risked 20 pips to get to 1.5. That's, we risk $100 to make $500. If you risk $10, you use $10 to make $50. So that's the power of trading, especially when you are using your risk calculator. So for Euro MZD, we'll go back to 4 hours. And if you are very, very busy, you can go on weekly. So you trade weekly and 4 hours. But because of our community, I like it on 4 hours so that at least we can get 3 to 5 trades in a week that will meet our conditions, and we're good to go. So, guys, what can we see here? Uptrend or downtrend? I'm going to remove the drawing tools. Uptrend or downtrend? What site can we get the bank report on? What site can we get the bank report on? Is an elderly reporter. It's not for everybody. It's for elders. Next up. Okay, so what I would do, I would drop it on the group. But even if you have the report, you might not be able to analyze it. But I can convert it to this weekly so that we can have it like this. Is that clear? But you don't trade with it. You only use it as confirmation. Okay? So you want to use it with trend. You want to use it with your technical analysis. You want to use, so it's not a report that, oh, because the banks are buying. This they are buying. So imagine we took their buy if you're in our community and it still hits stop loss. So you don't trade it as an independent, but I'll see what I can do. The report can be sent on the group so that everyone can have it. So, but you have to use it with your conditions. And if you do not hear, you're on your own. Okay? So what can we see here? What can we see here? The market kept creating a right? The market kept creating more I. The market kept creating more I. Okay? And each time it wants to go up, perfect. It will come to a what? A reversal level. You can see that. Each time it wants to go up, it goes to a reversal level. Okay? Perfect. So guess, when it wanted to start its reversal, it did a fake breakout and it started going up. When it wants to keep continue going up, it needs to keep obeying the rule of the game. So this is where patience is required, okay? For it to go up again now, it needs to what? Do the same thing. So what do I see coming this week? I feel that it's still going to go up. Why? Because the market has not formed a double top, a head and shoulder, or any of the reversal patterns. So Euro AUD, I feel is going to go up, okay? I feel it's going to go up. From what we are seeing here, you have your up, down, down. And now it's on the what? On the reversal zone. So we expect to see some up, down. If it comes and give us head and shoulder, that means that we are no more buying again. Then we are looking for a what? A sell. So keep selling. We keep selling. Okay. So basically that's what we're expecting. So how do we enjoy this movement? So this will be it. I'll be looking for a buy entry around the reversal level. If you do not know the reversal level, you want to go watch our previous training on market structure. And it's on the group, it's on the community group. Just go to file, and on the file, you should be able to get it, okay? Where is it? SPH. Sheesh. Okay, so file, you go to links, okay? So on links, a lot of the videos are there, a lot. So if you say Fib, I think I named it Fib, Fibonacci, can't remember, market structure. Can't remember the name. We have BYOB, we have a market structure with harmonics, that is one of them. So it's here. If you take your time and search, I was thinking name searching will bring it out. If the name searching doesn't bring it out, just trend recognition. And so we did that. That's a recording of that one. YouTube, replay of trend recognition, September. So replay of trend recognition, I think on the second series on trend recognition, I think, trend. So if you check 1, 2, 3, either of these three, I have Fibonacci training on it. So you can use that. So the good week for us, we did 370 pips. That's over 30% this week. Last week was over 50%, which is very good. Okay, for this week, let's see what happens. So I'll be looking for a buy on EN. Okay, on EN. Okay, on EN for a uptrend continuation. Okay, the same thing. Watch carefully, guys. When it gave us the double bottom, the market went up, and you draw your fib. Okay, around 79 and 60, 70 and 79, you buy. So this will be your stop loss. Okay, stop loss will be what? 28 pips. And after 28 pips, it gave us crazy guys, 168, and went up as far as 300. Okay, so the same thing has happened. Gave us double bottom, and after double bottom, you watch out for your reversal entry. So if it comes here between now and Tuesday, this should happen between now. Okay, this should happen tomorrow. Okay, if it comes here, wait for your confirmation, then you shoot. And once that happens, don't call your neighbor. You're gonna be up for a very long push. Okay, so for me, Euro AUD should be a buy. Okay, that's my sign for buy. Okay, let me unflag all. Yes, so I flagged my EN for a buy. I'll look for my entry on buy. Euro AUD, look for entry on buy. Euro AUD card, look for entry for sell. Which other pairs have I analyzed? Gold, you need to see a big retracement down for a buy. I'm still looking, I still feel it's going to be buying. Somebody on YouTube said, should check GBPNZD. Let's check GBPNZD and see what we have. He gave us a fake breakout last week. And the fake breakout, guys, you don't joke with fake breakout. It's one of the ways, it's called liquidity trading. It's liquidity trading, and it makes a lot of sense when you know how to use it. Maybe I'll teach that to our community next week, Friday. Although we have 3 trainings, two timetables already scheduled for that next week. So we might do it upper week, might be part of the series. Might be part of the series that we're talking about. Okay, cool. So as usual, we'll remove the drawing tools. I'll zoom out to be able to see what the market is doing. Okay, this is a bit, this is not direct. We can see a drop, a rise, a drop, a rise, a drop. So because this level has not been removed, so that means we could be looking for a uptrend, okay? This level needs to remove this. This needs to remove this level for us to confirm a sell, okay? So if you look closely by zooming out, we have this move. It came down, it created another high, which is our fake out. It gave us that fake out there, and that fake out produced 314 pips. And when it dropped back into this what? Into this other fake out, okay? Into this other fake out. So fake out to fake out. So it gave us this buy. It's crazy, guys. So another thing has happened right now. It has given us another fake out here. Okay, So what do we expect? Because it's still producing more high, so I feel it's still going to go up until it breaks the low. That is when you will stay away from buying. So I still feel it's going to buy. Okay, one of the reasons I feel it's going to buy is because this high is a normal high. Okay, this high is a higher high. Okay, and a higher high without a lower low is still going to be exposing it for a buy. So GN will still give us a buy. We need to see a lower low broken. Okay, so what do we see coming next week? I feel the market will drop to this level, which is a demand level. Okay, when it drops, I would like to see a pin bar or an engulfing here that can tell me to buy. If it is not there, I will not. Also, it's going to be in the direction of trend continuation. Okay, first move, second move, third move. So I will look for a buy. Okay, if there is a price action, don't trade without your price action. I told you guys over and over again in the mentorship sessions, you don't just come to the market and say, oh, I'll put my sell entry there if you are trading this kind of way. Okay, is there a way to know if the market has a fake breakout? Yeah. Good. So if the market comes here, we'll look for a buy. Look for a buy there, then we can rock and roll to this level. Okay, 370. Then because of this fake breakout here, that is here already, that's a suspect for a sell. Fake breakout is simple. You just need to study how it works. This is fake breakout. You have high, the market goes through it with an engulfing, and this is there's a candle here. Okay, the market goes through it with, since it's buy, with a bullish candle, and the next candle, the market closed down back. Okay, that's a fake breakout. Okay, the banks uses it to take retailer traders. Okay, they use it when the market has moved for a while. So let's say a uptrend has moved maybe 100, 200, 300 pips, and they want to let a lot of people who used to feel that when the candle is going down, that is when the market is selling. They use it for them. So what do people do here? People will do buy stop here. Buy stop. Guys, I'm already turning this to training. It's not training, it's just market review, but let's give this to the YouTube community too. Okay, so a lot of them now put buy stop and say, thank God. Wow, I love this. So another set of traders, we put what? Sell limit here. I told you I told you when I call the trade, it will always answer. So what do? Some people are expecting breakout, buy stop. Buy stop traders, we put buy stop. Sell stop trade, sell limit traders, we put sell limit, and this becomes liquidity level for the banks. Liquidity levels, okay? So as the market goes through it, poof, it triggers the sell limit, it hit their stop loss, it triggers the buy stops, and everybody becomes angry. Then the market will start coming back again. Now, while that start coming back again, the market does another thing. It goes back up. So some aggressive traders will say, what kind of rubbish? Then they will enter again that, oh, it's a buy. And when it gets to this level, the market will be happy, they will be happy. Then the market start dropping again. They say, what? What kind of trading is this? I told you Forex is a scam. It's not for, oh God, rubbish. I bought my money again. Come on, calm down. If you don't know, you don't know. Is that clear, Somto? Put in some 777 if you're getting some value right now. Put in some 777 if you're getting some value right now. So that is how they used to slap people. When it's going up, they slap. When it's coming down, they slap. Ah, I don't like these people. Car, these Forex people. They used to, So that's what happens here. Watch, guys. Watch carefully. I told you guys, we're on the uptrend. Sorry. He went for them. I told you guys, we are on selling. The market is selling. The market is selling. But there is already a low here. So look at what happened. The market drops. Woo! Let me slow it down a bit. So as the market hit that low, it has triggered sell stop people. It has triggered sell stop. It has triggered buy stop, buy limit people. Then next candle, look at what happened immediately. Another candle came up. What? Hey, these people, I hate trade. If just, oh, I just lost 2% of my, I just lost 5% of my account. I told you guys. No, guys, just come here. Come and wait for them. This will be your entry. This will be your entry level. Either you use buy limits, but I recommend you wait and see reaction here before you say that is a buy, No, wait. A lot of things can deceive you. One of the things that not deceive you is your eye. Okay, so when the market got here on 4 hours, what can we all see? We can see a rejection. So if I go to 30 minutes, I will see on this very low, I will see a pin bar. So as I see that pin bar, it's crazy, guys. The market forms that pin bar and we're good. How is it taking time? Okay, it's not loading fast, so we might have to. You see, I think my internet is fine. It's not just loading. If the value is not up to some, I don't get you. Ozemoya. Good. Okay. So look at it. Look at that place. The market got there. The market got there. That same spot, it gave us a pin bar. The market got to that same spot, it gave us an engulfing candle. That same level. This is what will make me put my money. With this engulfing, with this pin bar, I am good to put in my money. Then, look at what happened immediately. Market keeps going up. The market keeps going up. You see, the market keeps going up. The market keeps going up. So from here, to this place, you've made a lot for yourself. And your stop loss will be very, very small. Can you see? From here to 320 pips. The same has happened again. This is what they call money again. The same thing would have happened here. A lot of traders immediately they saw the what? They saw the candle. They say yes, it triggered them again. And you see, the market keeps dropping. So basically, it dropped well, and it dropped it dropped down to 300 pips. So basically, that's just it. Really, really nothing hard, but you must just be patient. It's not for everybody, it's for patient people. You have to be very, very patient. So right now, again, they have done it again. So right now, again, they have done it again. Another high has been created. So another high has been created. So that means this place is exposed for sell. Okay? This place is exposed for sell. So this place is exposed for buy. That place is exposed for sell. So that's that. So GN, on my analysis from what I've just shared with you now, I'll be looking for a buy. Okay? But don't join. I told you over and over again, wait for the trend confirmation, and either there's a double bottom or a double stop, or there must just be something that will allow you to put your money. Look at this now. That's a reversal level, another reversal level. Okay. Left, up, drop, right, drop. RJPY for me is in a rangy market. Okay. If it breaks high, we are good. If it breaks low, we are good. It's not all trades that you put your money. Okay, that was clear. I think, can we look at Eurogbp? Eurogbp. Eurogbp has been ranging. I don't like it. It's been ranging. More of uptrend, but it's been ranging. check. Let's check together. Fake breakout. That's a retest of the fake breakout. So that means on a bigger picture, it should be selling. Okay? On a bigger scale, it should be selling. Okay? What again? Thing. Fake breakouts around that place again. You can see another retest. Okay? So we have double bottom here. We have another one, very more here. So guys, if you like your money, stay away from it's range much. You just hold your money. When the market, just hold your chart and see that, know that the market is ranging. If it's going up, coming down, going up, coming down, what's not creating higher and lower low? Just ignore it. A lot of traders that are losing money, they want to trade here, they want to trade here, they want to trade here, they want to trade here. And that's where they lose out. Because the ranging could be very funny. Like I just coming down, hitting your stop loss, come down, go up, hit your stop loss, go up, come up, go up, you don't want that kind of trade. You want it to be in a what? Trendy market. This is what you want. Once it starts ranging, ignore the market. That's the best way to remain, look at it now. Look at it. Since 27th of September, it has not created another high. It went up, it came down. It went up, it came down. 13th of October, it went up, it came down, came to disappoint people, hit people, stop again, came down, it went up. Oh my goodness, nothing to do there. Instead of that, go to other pairs, EJ, other pairs. There's another good fake breakout there. Drop. So just once you begin to see, these are ranging market, guys. Ranging market, ranging market. Ranging market. So when you see ranging market, I recommend you stay away. No matter how smart you are as a trader, just stay away. Just stay away. This is an uptrend move. But I see a retracement back to this to form a double bottom, then I can shoot a buy, okay? It's a buy here. Went up, came down, up, come down back, then you buy. Buy your stop loss below here, then we'll go up. Because it's been creating higher, okay? I think I've shared some value tonight, and we're good. We're good, right? Hope I've answered your questions. Any questions? The same thing has happened here. NZD card, I feel is going to sell. Look at the fake breakout. Fake breakout here. Look at the market closed above it. Market closed above it. As the market closed above it, the market went up and dropped below it. So if you can just be patient, and I've told you, if you are learning market structure, don't trade on 1 hour, don't trade on 15 minutes, don't trade on 30 minutes. Go and trade on lower time frame. Sorry, on 9 time frame. It will allow you to be patient, allow you to wait for your price action. It allows you to accept. That is why a lot of us, you lose out. You become you want to make all the money, but you are not following the rules. Okay? This fake breakout alone is a good entry here. Okay? And our place, can you guys see? Can you see engulfing? Can you see bar? So what do? You enter on that pin bar. Stop loss, you can use 7 pips or you use your 15 pips. This 13 pips. 13 plus 13, 26, TP1. And you let your trade. You manage your other trade. I feel NZD card should drop down here this week. It's 104. That's about 1 to 8. And if you go to lower time frame, you would have seen the wedge pattern. Now, I told you guys on last week mentorship session, I told you guys about 3 patterns: double bottom, head and shoulder, wedge pattern. So the wedge pattern has formed there already. GA, the same thing. Anything that happens on GA, 90% is the same, 98% is the same thing with GM. Okay. Look at the wedge pattern has started forming. Wedge pattern. Wedge pattern. The market goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up. This is a wedge pattern. So if you draw your trend line, you see there is a wedge pattern. So they are signs of reversal. They are reversal patterns that the market uses to take a lot of traders unaware. Okay. Now eventually broke down, which is this, has broken this low, then it will retrace down. This is your sell, then it will drop, do another retracement, then it will drop. Okay, so N card will go down. The same way we are looking at A card should go down. Okay, and you can see it has already started happening already. Already reactions on that level already. Okay, that'll be my time today. Hope you guys have some value. So we spoke about EN, we spoke about GN, we spoke about EA, we spoke about gold, we spoke about Bitcoin, we spoke about, I think we've touched the major pairs, okay? And that'll be my time tonight, okay? Any question? Any question? YouTube, any question? Everyone on the Zoom, any question? I can't find the Telegram group. If you can't find the Telegram group, get back to the person that sent you the link. Who sent this link? You talked about going to study. Okay, I get you. This is the group. When you get to the group, profit allocation channel, okay? You go to links. On the link, you see it there. On the link, you see it there. Is that clear? You're welcome. Review on gold. You want the replay. I can't go through it again. Watch the replay. So you get the review. Any other question? Any other question? Okay, so if you gain some value, drop some words right there. Let me be sure you guys get some value. You guys get some value, drop your words there. Let me be sure you guys gain some value. Okay, don't forget, don't over leverage your account. Let's use the calculator. Use your money pattern to confirm your entry. Just enjoy your trading, guys. Use your calculator, guys. Use your calculator. You want to remain business, use your calculator. Stop trading from your head. I know some of us on this call, until you blow several accounts, and you come back to the mentality of the power of you trading right. I've told people over and over again, trading is not hard. It's just obeying the rules of engagement. That is very hard. Obeying the rules of engagement. That'll be my time tonight. Thank you so much. Only one person is telling me thank you, sir. He said, well, are you people still typing or your number there? Let me check the YouTube audience if they have questions. Okay, perfect, perfect. I got in late. Can you tell me on BTC? Watch the replay. Okay. Sir, please, which moving average do you use? All the moving average works. Just combine a higher moving average with a lower moving average. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Okay? All moving average work. 27.5, 7, 727, 1450, 2100, any combination, all of them works. That's what one moving average doesn't mean that is the one that. How do you calculate pips? Go to your back office, the genius, go to your back office, or you go to the Telegram group. It is there, how to calculate pips. All of them have been recorded, okay? All of them have been recorded for you. And if it's still not clear, join the Monday class, Monday 7 p.m. class. Monday 7 p.m. class. Very important that you learn to use it. Very, very important. Very, very important. If you don't know it and you know how to trade, you've not started. You've not started. Okay? Thank you so much. That's my time tonight. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Make sure you're keeping safe. How do I get the link from the Monday class? Our daily training resumes back on Monday. You get your link. You get the link for it. If you are in the community, obviously. If you're not a member of the community, you would not have access to that. Okay? That's an exclusive training, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Have a great evening, guys. Make sure you're not over-leveraging. Make sure you're focusing on your conditions. Make sure no condition, no trade. Make sure there is a reversal pattern. Make sure there is or a continuation pattern. Make sure there is there's a price action. Just make sure these things are there before you click